You guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm doing some unboxings. And do you like my pajamas? I just went to a Galentine's event and I did film some videos in my dress, but I just wanted to get a little bit more comfy. But if you want to see how I got this chocolate and roses makeup look, you could check it out here. And tonight I'm unboxing my IPSY Ultimate. This replaced my BoxyCharm for the month of February. So let's get into it. It is very full. First thing I see is this Makeup Forever HD Skin Smooth and Blur Undetectable Concealer in 2.1Y. Oh, that's actually gonna be like a really good color match for me. I love that. Next is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in Pale Rose. I absolutely love Grande mascara. I didn't even know they made lip products. Of course, it has their signature gold packaging. Okay. Ooh. I do already have like a full lip color on, but it is like this beautiful bubblegum pink. I'm very excited to try that. Next, we have the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Moisture Cream. Who doesn't love Glow Recipe, right? Gorgeous. That color. Very thick, luxurious. Love that. Next is the Tatcha Chamomile Gold Spun Lip Balm. The packaging is beautiful. It has like real gold flake in it. Looked like it was going to be a jelly, but it's not. It's actually very hard. So I will definitely try that. Next is the Quad eyeshadow palette from NARS. Gorgeous. These colors are right up my alley. I love wearing like a mauve-y smoke eye, so love that. Next is the Lith High Definition Eyeliner in Shades and Blueprint Galaxy. Wow. Really like actually colored. Let's see. I used to love wearing blue eyeliner. Like no joke. Oh, please don't be broken. Okay, it's like a midnight blue. Cute. I'm really excited about the blue one. The Glowgasm and Pillow Talk Highlighting Blush Wand and Matte Beauty Blush Wand from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in Pillow Talk and Pinkgasm. That's Pillow Talk, and that is Pinkgasm. Wow, so pretty. There is a lot in this box. I must have had some add-ons. I'll have to like put it down here, whatever's an add-on or not. I don't remember. I don't know. So much more. Oh my god. Next is the Kevyn Aucoin Indecent Mascara. I'm pretty sure I added this on because I love Kevyn Aucoin products and it was on like super sale. And I have not tried mascara from him, but look at the packaging. It's like midnight blue. How beautiful. I'm gonna give this a review. I'm the mascara queen. Oh, another HD Skin in 2.2. So I probably added these on then. Okay, yeah, this is just a shade darker, like 0.1 shade darker. Super hydrating concealer. Beautiful. Next are the Rhodial Collagen Drops. I love Rhodial. I'm pretty sure I chose this product. Beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells like cherry almost. Amazing. Love that. Next is the Bisha Essential Rice Water Primer. Okay, Bisha. I've only seen their blushes, like their blush duo. And if you've watched my channel, you know I've received that product like 10,000 times. And it's a great product, I love it. Oh, I do have some lip liners from Bisha too that are really good. So, is it gonna be gold like all their other components? Let's see. Yep, sure is. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh yeah. Doesn't really have a smell, but it's like a milky toner. That's pretty much what this is. Gorgeous. Next is the Precisely My Brow Wax from Benefit. It's like a little tiny mini in warm light brown. Wow, that has like a very strong smell. Next is the Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum from Rodeo. Love this. I've tried this product before. It's amazing. All Rodeo skincare products are so good. So if you can get your hand on them, do it. Last is the Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Cleanser. Smells so good. It's like an apothecary type smell. Also really good skincare, Grown Alchemist. I don't know how IPSY does it, but like every single time I get a BoxyCharm or an IPSY Ultimate or Icon box or whatever, I'm always so impressed with them. 10 out of 10, every single product in this box was like amazing. So thanks IPSY. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.